Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my vloggy. Um, Today is the Thursday, the 19th, the 19th of February, 2026. I'm doing school runs, but I still have time to spare. I think I'm gonna start Pick and Pay, then go to Pick and Pay, then clicks to buy Pick and Pays to buy some snacks for Martha's birthday tomorrow. And yeah, I wanted to start my vlog here. I always start my vlogs this is so I decided to start my vlog here at home before I step out of the house. I'm wearing this dress. I make it as what do you call this thing? A shirt, and then trousers. I'll show you if it's was, and then you make trousers. The pants is light, but yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Done with the cakes. I'm on the way to Pick and Pay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, and welcome back to my vlog. Welcome to my vloggy. Today it is a Friday, and today is Martha's birthday. I am preparing for Martha's birthday, and then come out. Yeah, so
I thought you were calling me.
no, it was Tazi vlog. Birthday, Betunana. Birthday girl. Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back. As I was saying, today is Martha's birthday. This is the cake that we bought for her, but I am gonna zhuzh it up. I'm gonna pimp it. I'm gonna pimp it and put some this and this and the other. And then we're gonna have it's just us as family. We're celebrating her birthday, and she came back from school with gifts, a lot of gifts from her friends. I was so surprised. But last year they gave each other gifts. They do gift each other even on Valentine's. I was happy for her. I was going through a gift lady because like, isn't those your PJs, your pajamas, your some clothing items, some jewelry. I was gonna show you, but it's not my place to do that. Okay, Nina is a lady time, but I'm gonna show you the. But I'm gonna show you the bags. And then we also bought her some stuff. So let me pimp this cake. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mahle. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip,
Hooray!
hip hip,
Hooray!
nog een piep.
It's a huge milestone, being 19, and we're so grateful. We are done with the birthday. The birthday girl was busy with Indoors like. Oh yeah, the birthday girl. We were so busy. Get Romania. I was gonna check what is being doing. She's fitting kizzy into enjoying a birthday yake, which is great. Akushushu, but it is hot. We were thinking of going to the. We thought we were gonna go to the beach later on, but she said no. She doesn't want to go anyway, which is fine. It's her birthday. We do what she wants. I don't know. If movies now, I think we're gonna do movies tomorrow, not today, because it's either beach or do the movie after her birthday. Okay, but I think we're gonna do movies tomorrow. Yes, we'll do it movie tomorrow. We're gonna chill, relax, and enjoy the rest of the evening. No, it's the evening now. It's the evening because it's 5:30, Ziela u6, Zele quarter to. I'm ready 25 to 6. So is it an afternoon? Between afternoon and evening. So Dad is gonna go buy in McDonald's later on because birthday girl wants McDonald's. So we'll do that. So that's how the birthday went. I'm glad this is over. I'm glad that she enjoys her birthday. Okay. So, yeah. So, how do you feel about your birthday?
I feel great, guys.
You enjoy it?
It was beautiful and it was nice and cute. I enjoyed everything.
Okay. So, what are you doing now?
I was trying to sort out my jewelry. I'm trying to
Nice.
experiment how to with the different.
Yeah. Okay. vloggy. Reporting live at the beach. Good afternoon, guys. We're back home. We're gonna have KFC. We ordered KFC, the drive-through. We're gonna have Fiona with e-drink. This is gonna be our supper. We're not gonna cook after this, yeah, because it's 4 o'clock. So yeah, we spent maybe 3 hours. 3 hours at the beach. Yeah, 3 hours. We left at 12, ne? We left at 12. Yeah, so at least 3 hours. And we started to be foggy. It was foggy, but when we when we left the beach, the fog was like, now it's not foggy. I don't know what's going on that side, but it was foggy, so we had to go. And also not best assisting. 2 hours is enough for the beach. 2 hours and 2 hours. I would not the whole day. Not unless you wanna relax the whole day. Your sunbather when you spend the whole day. We used to do that while we were growing up, but Goku, to stay that much, it is. But get to if you wanna, you can do that. But Tina, but do not sing about balap. My was not daughter etandulala. She was like, I need to go home now. Then we came and then we took a shower. I took a shower. My husband took a shower, and I took a shower using another our bathroom. And then he was taking a shower in the bathroom. welcome guys, or welcome to my vloggy. Today it is a Monday, and I just, if my tongue is black, I was having coffee, a black coffee. Today I felt like black coffee. Americano, some they call it Americano. I had an Americano today. And also I've got an unboxing to do, and my camera needs to be charged. The sun is out now. I'm meant to wash Luther's bedding. I don't know whether I should do it, or I should do it, or I should do it tomorrow, because I wanted to wash the bedding yake yonke, including mattress protect. Because I wanted to wash it earlier on, but earlier on it was cloudy and a little bit of, yeah, but it was cloudy. But the sun is out now, and it is 9:30. It's not bad. I can do it. Yeah, I'll see. And then after that I'll go take a shower, and then clean the house. There's nothing much to clean because I do spring cleaning when I think about it, and then I do the touch ups here, like up and up and up. But spring cleaning, the sense anytime the full sense I do it. I don't have, I because tomorrow I'm gonna do spring cleaning. I don't know how to do that. I don't know. It depends. It depends on my energy. If my energy is saying, okay, we can do this, they're clean. I'm nango 6 so I don't have time. I don't like to put time and in everything that I do. But also I don't like that. But you should. I do as I please. Okay. So the unboxing, I think I'm gonna do the unboxing when I'm done. Yes, I need to go take a shower because I feel a little bit but I did take a shower when I went to before I went to bed. I took a shower, but it's kind of hot, and the sun is under the clouds. It's like humidity. It's humid today. Let me take a shower, and then in the meantime let me charge my my camera, because battery, and I don't want to use the other camera because the angle of the camera. Oh, and cool guys. I will catch you. Oh, did I tell you about today? It's a Monday. Today it's a Monday. The 20 it's the 23rd or the 24th. I'm not sure. Let me check the date of February. February 23rd. Yes, the 23rd. 23rd of February. And also we do Sine, we got on Friday. We're going on vacation. Masha's, it's Masha's birthday present. It was her birthday on Friday. We just had Ilentuk birthday as per usual. We celebrate birthday as a family, and then we had McDonald's after McDonald's, and then the Saturday we went to the beach. And then for Sunday we didn't do anything. Yeah, so we are going on weekend, so we can get away. It's just excuse me, a small it's a weekend getaway, like, excuse me, and we're going to St. Helena. St. Helena, I think it's 1 hour 45 minutes away from Cape Town. 1 hour 45 or 2 hours max. From Cape Town to St. Helena, so it's just a short left. So yeah, there's that. Also, we're leaving on Friday when they come back from school. Yeah, so yeah, that's the tea. We'll catch you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back again. It's still a Monday. It is after 1 time. It's after 1. Let's do this unboxing. First, I got 2 of this hand sanitizer. I got them hand sanitizer 2, and then I got this body scrub. Sugar, it's a exfoliation sugar scrub. I've got a coconut glow and the one in watermelon. They both smell so nice. This is the normal. I normally buy this one bengali uyibona, and it was the last one ibikhona ku shelves the flavor. And I was like, oh, smells nice. It smells like palmolive. There was palmolive used to have, it was as body scrap what why I don't know why they stopped. Okay, so let's open the box. Number one from Amazon. Oh, from Amazon. Okay, go Amazon. I bought a Dove Z4 ngaphakathi, the 4 inside, as you can see, 4. And then I had bought it's a hand lotion. Okay, and then I got a Hill Balm on the first box. The second one, oh, of course, pine gel. That side. The third box. Do you like surprises? Come over. It's a surprise. I love that kid. I love that kid. So up I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 soaps, body soaps, and I got this one. I use this for drain system. I use this for my shower, drain ku shower yami, shower yabantwana, and the toilet and the sink. But make sure that I ingakulento xa usebenzisa glass, because it's iyahlala iyastain izandla. But this thing is good for it drains zethu, and ziyanuka it drain in summer. Ziyanuka it drains. Phofu nanini na iyanuka it drain if we disinfect it. Your drain is gonna stink, but I use that now for it drain, and it helps. It helps. And then on this one, I got another one I got 2 of the Doves. And then I got soap, a body soap again, Z4. It's a 4 pack. And then I got a dishwashing liquid. And then on this one, I got this one, Macro. Macro does deliveries, guys. We are delivering Macro. But this one, you can do it pickups or you do it delivery. Delivery is free. I'll take more than 500, I think. And then it's you totally depending about like what area then. And then I've got these 2. I've got supposed to be a shampoo, yes, and the conditioner. This allows my hair. This loves my. And the last one. Do you love surprises? Come over. Yes. I love surprises. that's on my mind. It's rent free. I've got the mimosa for the girl. I've got the mimosa for the girl. This girl. This mimosa. This Bella is called Bella Mimosa. A 6-pack. I bought it while I was in December. We went to is it Mpumalanga? No, northern Cape. We went there, and the only mimosa that they have is this one and the other brand. But the and I was like, ooh, I like it. And then I bought it again when we on our way back home. And then and then I searched, but they don't have gospel, they don't have it, got checkers, they don't have it. I was like, if you can't tell most, can't I for macro. So This very, very nice. And it's nice. It's juicy avakala. It's to me it makes a good balance. So that's it for my haul. And I'm still waiting for, I don't know if I'm gonna do it again. I'm waiting for laundry soap. I bought 2, and they were supposed to deliver it on Saturday, but I don't know what happened. I saw a new driver, and I said to myself, "Some problem. There is every time the to drive omcha, when it comes to my delivery, I know it's gonna be a problem. I always know. I know delivery guys. My delivery guys are 2 the area. If the Amazon, I've only got 2 delivery guys, and I know packaging is gonna be here before 10 or 11. I know. Kuthe kube to 11 aqomba kuyachapha, because I knew kwathiwa ban aqomba ayibhuti lo bhuti akazoza apha, because and then nyani yajika delivery yamba no on a Saturday, and I meant to go to the beach, and I was like, I'm going to the beach, I'm not gonna wait till because I left home at 12 on a Saturday, because I know Saturdays delivery, they come early. Divuswa zizo mna, divuswa delivery guys early in the morning. And by 11, they come by I think, but they said by reschedule, Sheila is gonna come in today. So that's the tea. I will catch you on the other side. I'm also talking quick camera for my vloggy. Hi guys, it is still a Monday. I'm having ice cream at home. We bought ice cream and cones. So I'm having that for dessert. I'm chilling outside. I just took a shower. I took a quick one. A cold shower. Not cold, lukewarm. Then decided to have some ice cream. Then I'm just admiring the view. The view is like, praise the Lord.